Have you ever thought about starting your own vegetable garden? Today we'll guide you step by step on this rewarding journey. Imagine having fresh produce right at your fingertips, saving money, and experiencing the joy of gardening. By the end of this video, you will have a clear idea on how to start your own vegetable garden. The first step in starting a vegetable garden is proper planning. Consider factors like how much space you have, the amount of sunlight your garden will receive, and the types of vegetables you'd like to grow. Location is key. Your garden needs at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Also, choose vegetables that are suitable for the current season. Planting out of season can lead to poor growth and yield. Remember, a well-planned garden leads to a bountiful harvest. Once you've decided on the location and the vegetables, it's time to prepare the soil. Preparation is key to a successful garden, beginning with the removal of weeds. These unwelcome guests can hinder vegetable growth, so it's crucial to eliminate them. Next, enrich your soil with compost. This organic matter provides essential nutrients to your plants. Lastly, don't forget to test your soil's pH. It's a simple step that ensures your soil isn't too acidic or alkaline. Remember, healthy soil equals healthy vegetables. Now that your soil is ready, it's time to plant your vegetables. Begin by digging small homes, just deep enough to nestle the seeds. Sow the seeds gently, covering them with a thin layer of soil. Water them lightly but regularly, ensuring the soil remains moist but not waterlogged. Regular care is key. Watering, weeding, and protecting your garden from pests goes a long way in ensuring a bountiful harvest. With consistent care, your vegetables will thrive. Starting a vegetable garden might seem like a lot of work, but the rewards are worth it. From planning, soil preparation, to planting and caring, each step brings you closer to fresh and healthy produce. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.